What's your name? One more time.
Hector, the connector, and the protector.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna take you on a tour of my area of Playa. I'm gonna try to find some food first. Show you guys what your boy eats pretty much on a daily basis. Let's see where this takes us. Oh yeah, I am gonna be sweating profusely in this video because it's hot as shit out here. So don't judge me. It's because I'm fat, mostly because it's hot, but also because I'm fat. Stay tuned. Alright, so the spot I was trying to eat at, they don't open to 1. Your boy is fucking hungry right now. Again, because I'm fat. So I'm gonna go to this spot that I usually go to. It's Zanzibar. So the spot that's attached to my Airbnb. So go check them out. They're cheap, really good fucking food. So that's where we're headed. Alright, so this spot is called Zanzibar. Pretty cool, really good food, reasonable, good drinks. I'm trying to figure out what I want to drink to start off. So they've never seen me vlog here, so everybody's looking at me kind of crazy that I'm talking to myself. Check out this view. Can I get the Rick's Special OJ? So we'll see what this drink has. I've been trying to get something new every time I come here. I've been here like 3 or 4 times already. So this is the Rick's Special OJ. This is usually how I start most of my days. Getting some food, getting a drink in me. This vacation shit is rough. It's hard, man. It's hard out here in the streets. Holy shit, that's strong. Woo-wee. This one's gonna have you boys sweating even more. So I'm sweating from being fat, sweating from the heat, sweating from drinking this strong ass shit with a whole bunch of tequila in it. This shit's delicious though. So here's the menu. I don't know if you guys can read that, but that shrimp and chicken pasta, or shrimp or chicken pasta is looking good. I think I'm gonna get the shrimp. Can I order?
Yes.
Can I get the shrimp pasta?
Shrimp pasta, okay.
Awesome. Okay. Gracias. Alright, so it just brought your boy the shrimp pasta. Holy shit, this thing is thick. Like, look how far the fork goes on. It's fucking crazy. It's a deep ass bowl. Alright, so let's dig in and see what we got. That shit is fucking delicious. It's hot as shit. Tongue's on fire. Not from spice or anything, just from the heat. Man, there's a really good flavor in this tomato sauce. I forgot what the official name of the sauce is, but this shit is good. So I can only eat about half of it. The rest of it will be for dinner tonight. But yeah, alright, so food's done. Got a drink in me. Let's go on this adventure. I'm gonna take you guys on a quick tour of my area of the beach and show you guys the trees that fuck up all my drones. Alright, this is the fucker. I took it out last time. This was the big one that fucked it all up. That big high fall. For the most part, this area is pretty fucking quiet. People looking at me crazy because I'm vlogging. lie, this alley smells like straight piss. Oh, it smells like fucking death. Oh, it's just baking out here in the sun. Yeah, this artwork is fucking dope. Yo, check this shit out. It's fucking Vegeta. Initially, I thought it was Goku when I saw it the other night. I was also a little snammered. But it's actually Vegeta. Fucking Widow's Peak hairline. Alright, so what I love about this place so far is everybody's been fucking friendly as shit. Man, no matter where I've gone, it's pretty dope. Guys, if you know about Playa, you've probably heard about 5th Avenue. Unfortunately, at this time, 5th Avenue is under construction. And this is all the way down. There are a couple shops that are open on it, and you can see people walking down through it still. But for the most part, 5th Avenue is closed. Hola. Oh, mask, yeah. It's in one of my pockets. I got one. Awesome, gracias. So I don't know if you guys caught that, but before entering any area like this, a mask has to be worn and they take your temp. And I'll see if I can catch on to the next one, but there are sanitizing mats out for people. This is one of the shopping areas out off of 5th Avenue, so it's pretty dope. Frida. One of the coolest things that I found is the damn slide off of the escalator. Why couldn't I have shit like that as a kid? I don't know if you can see the faces, but people are definitely like, what the fuck is he doing? Especially because they can't see me talking. Able to take the mask off now, at least for a little bit, without getting yelled at. Coco Bongo show. They're shut down for the moment. Stupid COVID. Two places I want to show you. Wings Army. Dope ass wings. And then across the street we got Don Sirloin. Had a fucking steak burrito from there last night. And it was absolutely delicious. Made a wrong turn. Going back out to the main road. I don't know if they're cooking. This shit looks good. Hey, I don't know what that was, but it looked absolutely delicious. I may have to come back and check them out for dinner tonight. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see how that shrimp pasta sits with me. As you can see, your boy is sweating, looking all shiny and shit. It's fucking hot. And we're gonna come up here and explore the Quinta Alegria shopping mall. Don't laugh at me. Your boy's Spanish ain't that great, but I'm learning. I'm trying. I am trying. I'm actually around the corner from the entrance of the mall.
You want Mexican food, la porrilla?
No, I'm good, man. Thank you.
You want Cuban cigars?
No, I'm good. What's up, man?
I'm sorry for the mother, but I'm working.
Yeah?
I got 3 kids. Today, I'm working for my mama. Be nice, please. Just for fun, let me show you. Please, just for fun. Please, por favor, por favor.
I'm good, man. Appreciate you.
I got tequila, cigars, souvenirs.
I'll have to come back and see you, man.
Okay, my name is Hector, the connector and the protector.
Hector the...
Okay?
What,
Follow me.
what's your name? One more time.
Hector, the connector and the protector. Be nice.
Hector's
Nice
dope.
camera, eh?
Thank
Please,
you,
be
thank
nice,
you.
papacito.
Hey, I'll come back and see you when I come out, man.
Okay.
I love people. Alright, heading to the mall. Mask has to go back on. So this is one of the malls that's right here by me. Super Americanized just because of the area. There's a Hurley stop up there. If you guys have seen my logo, you know I'm a big Hurley fan. I'm gonna grab a hat at some point in time. The Oakley shop.
what you'll notice is a lot of the workers here will rock the big face shield that covers the eyes and everything. It's crazy. They take this shit serious. Alright, hanging out with Hector the Collector, the Protector.
Follow the Mexican monkey.
Por favor. Want to try the tequila?
No, I'm good on tequila, man. Something for her.
Good price for you, okay?
You're looking what's the color right now. So if we go outside, just here very close.
It's gonna change.
Yes. Hey.
Anyway, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's
Some
pretty
Mayan
cool.
stones, you know.
Alright, I told them I'd check them out. I didn't realize that they were trying to sell me jewelry. I'm good on the jewelry, not my style. Alright, let's continue on, peoples. Nah, I'm good. No gracias.
Give a cigar, maybe?
Nah, I'm good, man. Thank you.
Come on, YouTuber.
I
You a YouTuber?
am. I heard him ask if I was Americano or Dominicano. Nobody knows. As you can see, there's people trying to sell you shit everywhere. This is a big tourist town. I get it. They're trying to make money. So I can't really knock them for it. Alright, so they tore up the street that I was cutting down last time. Now we gotta go to interrupt them, so we'll turn around and go back through this fucking craziness. I'm telling you, if I get out like this every day, your boy's gonna drop some weight quick. I promise you I'm not sick. Just sweating it all off. Just sweating it all off. I need to get up, start running on the beach every morning. I think that'll make me feel better. To be honest, I don't know where the fuck I am. I took another turn somewhere, but let's just go with it. Picture this guy. He's been stuck here for some time. They won't let him go home. Free my brother, let him go home. You'll see these little pharmacies everywhere. Hopefully I got that. But that taxi driver almost hit that fucking dude on the bike. It's fucking nuts. Traffic around this area is super sketch. Like you'll be walking and all of a sudden cars and shit will come through like right next to you. Fifth Avenue from the other side all torn up. So alright guys, just a quick trip around where I'm living, my area, show you how things are happening here. It's not bad because things are starting to open back up slowly. Anyway, thanks for viewing. YouTube, baby. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button here, and you can check out the latest vlog here. See you later.